Welcome to this video on the ultrasonographic anatomy of the submandibular region using an oblique coronal view. We will focus on two learning outcomes: identifying key anatomical structures on B-mode ultrasound and identifying vascular structures using color Doppler and pulsed wave ultrasound. Before we begin, it is important to orient ourselves. The green bubble indicates the probe orientation marker, with superior towards the head and inferior towards the feet. On the screen, superficial structures appear at the top, with deeper structures seen lower down. On B-mode imaging, we identify the mandible and the adjacent submandibular gland. Deep to these lie the mylohyoid muscle and the intermediate tendon of the digastric muscle. On color Doppler, the facial artery appears as a round, red, pulsatile structure, with the adjacent facial vein seen as a blue structure. On pulsed wave Doppler, a pulsatile waveform confirms the arterial nature of the facial artery. Thank you for listening.